If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. If your company is a sole proprietorship, you can take draws against the equity you have in your company. To record an owner's draw, simply create a check to yourself, which you may place into the Other Names list to avoid confusion. Then assign the amount of the check to the equity account you use to record your draws, like Owner's Equity, Owner's Draw. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.